This is my third time doing the Incubator program. Over the years, I have taken a look at the narrative art shares with different subject matters. Take climate change, for example, which my piece touches on. The common narrative in art about climate change is that it's destroying the planet, which is of course accurate, but a lot of art doesn't go beyond that. It doesn't lay blame. And if it does, it blames everyone, as opposed to the oil organizations that are destroying the planet for profit. Now, the prompt for this program was still life, which is compressing a stretch of time into just an image. Now, that got me thinking, how do we do this? Well, graphs. Graphs chart change in a value over time with just an image, the most common of which is the stock price of different companies. I used the growing stock price of an oil organization in combination with a morph used to show the literal rot of Earth to accurately lay blame.